So in this video, you'll learn how to enable one-handed mode on your Samsung Galaxy A36. So all you need to do is simply open the Settings app. Then you want to scroll and select Advanced Features. From here, look for one-handed mode and tap on it. And then all you need to do is just tap on the toggle like that to enable it. Then you should see two options you can use whenever it comes to activating one-handed mode. You have gestures and you have button. So currently it's set to gestures, which is why whenever I need to enter one-handed mode on my A36, all I need to do is simply swipe down on this home button like this, and my screen will shrink down and enter one-handed mode. If I want to exit it, I can just swipe down the same way, and I'll exit one-handed mode. You can choose to set it to button like that. So now all you need to do is just double tap on the home button to enter, and double tap again to exit one-handed mode on your A36. Now, once you're in one-handed mode, you can just navigate through your phone as normal. So if you ever want to go back to the home screen, just press on the home button. If you want to view multi-view window, you can just tap on that icon and just navigate through your phone regularly as you would when it is in full screen mode. Bear in mind that some apps do not support one-handed mode. So if you want to play a game, say for example, if you want to play a game, say for example, something that needs full screen like Call of Duty or Asphalt, then you will need to exit one-handed mode so that you can get the full experience. If you've decided to use gestures as your navigation on your A36 and you want to learn how to enter one-handed mode, then it's fairly simple. So let's just switch to gestures. Like that. And then once I've switched to gestures, whenever I want to enter and exit one-handed mode, it's slightly different. So I just go back to Advanced Features, one-handed mode, then ensure that it's enabled. So you can see here it's set to gestures, but the gesture is slightly different than from when you're using the navigation buttons. So if you want to enter one-handed mode, you swipe down on the bar like this. If you want to exit one-handed mode, swipe down on the same bar and you'll have exited one-handed mode. And so that's how you can use the gestures or buttons on your A36 to enter and access one-handed mode on your Galaxy A36. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.